Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This video shows how to use AlignMotion XML group in an easy method. This method exports and imports XML groups in 3 simple steps. First, open your project and locate the group you want to share. You will open the project, select the group, and choose Export XML. Tap the 3 dots, pick Export, then choose XML. Exporting takes about 1 minute for typical projects under 50 MB. Save the XML file to your device or cloud storage for transfer. Keep the original project backup before exporting any complex group. Next, I will explain importing XML groups into another project step by step. To import, tap Projects, then Import, and select the XML file. The app will parse the file and place the group at your timeline cursor. Imported groups retain keyframes, effects, and blend modes accurately. If the group appears too large or small, scale the group by percentage using transform settings. Use precise values like 100% or 75% for consistent results. Confirm playback and scrub the timeline to ensure time. Finally, I will share practical tips and troubleshooting steps for XML groups. Match frame rates before importing to avoid timing drift between projects. Always check that all assets used by the group are available on the target device. Use cloud storage or messaging apps for files under 15 MB to transfer quickly and reliably. If effects or fonts are missing, relink images or fonts from the device file picker. Test the imported group in a short preview and render a low-quality draft to confirm final results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.